Sometimes waiting longer than a day is a day too long when a machine is down, which is when Oliver's online technical support comes in handy. Online technical support is compatible with several Oliver machines, including the Oliver MaxiCap Platinum 36 and 4800 models, and the Voyager 1020, 1040, and 1050 separators. An Oliver specialist can diagnose, repair, and update software remotely, and if it requires a personal touch, we'll dispatch our qualified support team anywhere in the world. We can even upgrade select legacy Oliver machines to support online connections. Remote support helps stay on schedule and quickly resolves your system support concerns. One call today will keep the seed loss away. Call Oliver today at 1-719-254-7813 to find out if your machine supports remote assistance.